Hello and welcome to my channel, Diligent Meek. And today the issue which we are going to solve is regarding how to install Python libraries librosa, soundfile, and pyaudio, and what all the difficulties which the Python users might face while installing these libraries. So everything is going to be addressed in this video. So let's get started. First, open the command prompt. Okay. Now, after opening the command prompt, the standard syntax for installing the Python libraries, that is pip install, and then type in the libraries, librosa, soundfile, and then you have pyaudio. Now press enter and let's check what happens. Okay, so definitely there's some issue, and let's cross check that which library file caused this error. So individually start importing the libraries. First, let's see if librosa got successfully installed in our system or not, and if we are able to import this library or not. Let's check. No, this library didn't got installed successfully. Now let's check soundfile. Soundfile did got installed, and if you want to check the version, so type in soundfile, then dot 2 times underscore, then version, and then again 2 times underscore. Now press enter. So the version of soundfile which got installed is 0.10.3. And now try to import pyaudio. Pyaudio also didn't got installed. So only one library got installed successfully, that was soundfile, whereas the libraries librosa and pyaudio didn't got installed successfully using the command prompt and the Python version 3.7.3. So now come out from Python and exit the command prompt. Now open Anaconda prompt. Now in the Anaconda prompt, again type in the following syntax. And since soundfile is already installed, so there is no need to type in the soundfile again. But since in the Anaconda prompt, the version of Python which is running, that is 3.8.8. Okay, so the soundfile which got installed via command prompt, the version of soundfile, it would be working for Python 3.7.3 version. But for Python 3.8.8, we can also install its soundfile library. So for that, what we will do, we will type in pip install. Then you have librosa, soundfile, and pyaudio. Okay, press enter. Okay, so now call Python and check which library file is not installed successfully by importing the libraries individually. First, let's check librosa. Librosa didn't got installed. Then check soundfile. Soundfile did got installed successfully, and in order to check the version, that is 0.10.3. So the version of soundfile is similar to that which was there, which got installed for the Python 3.7.3 using command prompt. So there is no need to type in soundfile again and again. Just to avoid confusion, I did. But otherwise, if you're going to use pip install, and if you do not wish to include soundfile, library for installation, no need, because it already got installed via command prompt in the Python 3.7.3 version. Okay, so soundfile is installed, but librosa didn't got installed. And to check pyaudio, pyaudio also didn't got installed. Come out from Python. Now use the pip install command for individually for each Python library. So first we will use it for librosa. So pip install librosa, press enter. So now our Python library librosa got installed successfully, and it is also showing the version, which is 0.8.1, which got installed. And if you want to cross check, you can just call Python and then you can import librosa. Okay. Just wait for, yeah. So after importing librosa, you can check its version which got installed. You can cross check it. It is 0.8.1, which is similar to this 0.8.1, 0.8.1. Okay, but clearly pip install didn't work for pyaudio. So now what to do? Pip install didn't work for pyaudio. Pip install. So now what to do? We can use another syntax that is called, and since we are the anaconda prompt, so basically we are using the conda statement. So conda install -c conda forge, and then type in pyaudio. Okay, and press enter. So this might take some time. So if you wish, you can skip the video to avoid waiting for the installation to happen. Now you need to press Y and then press enter. Okay, so now our pyaudio library also got installed. And in order to cross check, just import pyaudio. And after importing pyaudio, you can just type in pyaudio.version to cross check. Okay, and then you can import librosa. And then you can import soundfile. Okay, so now all the three Python libraries got installed successfully. So pip install worked for soundfile in the Python version 3.7.3 via command prompt. Okay, and the soundfile, the similar version of soundfile, it also got installed in the anaconda prompt. So there was no need for typing in pip install soundfile all over again. But if you wish, you can do that. No, there's no big deal. But clearly, pip install didn't work simultaneously for librosa and pyaudio. So we had to use this command individually for each library of the Python. Okay, so we used pip install for librosa first. So librosa got installed successfully. But pyaudio, clearly pip install didn't work for pyaudio. So what we did, we used conda statement. Conda install -c conda -forge, and then you typed in the name of your library, which was pyaudio, and then it got installed successfully. All right. So now these are some possible methods which you can use for installing these Python libraries. I'm not saying this is the solution, but these are also one of the possibilities for rectifying the issue. And if you found this video useful and informative, so please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.